have the 16 and up Toyota Tacoma switch illumination harness. This harness allows you to plug directly into your factory wiring located behind the cubby under your steering wheel. It allows you to control OEM switches without having to cut any wires or do any custom wiring. The green plug plugs directly into the back of your OEM switch, and the other two wires will plug into your wiring harness for your light or other accessories. This is a great tool for allowing you to not have to do any modifications to your vehicle. If you have multiple switches, we offer the daisy chain harness. What the daisy chain harness allows you to do is add up to 5 OEM switches to the same illumination harness. This works great if you have multiple OEM switches you are trying to connect. For example, if you are using our 3-switch panel or are using multiple spaces in your factory locations. This is a very simple plug-and-play method that allows you to have multiple switches all illuminating off the same time without doing any modifications to your vehicle's wiring and still keeping it 100% plug-and-play.